Welcome! If you've been wondering how to add your high school to your Facebook page using your PC, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the latest steps to update your education details on Facebook following the new update. Let's get started. First, open your favorite web browser and head over to facebook.com. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the Facebook homepage, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile photo. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you directly to your profile page. Now that you're on your profile, look for the About section. It's usually located just below your cover photo, among the tabs like Posts, Friends, and Photos. Click on About to open up your personal information settings. Next, you'll see several categories on the left-hand side. Find and select Work and Education. This is where you can manage all your professional and educational details. Once you're in the Work and Education section, look for the option that says Add Secondary School. Click on it, and a form will pop up for you to fill in your high school information. Enter the name of your school, the years you attended, and any other relevant details you'd like to share. Take your time to make sure everything is accurate. After you've filled in all the fields, look for the Save button at the bottom of the form. Click Save, and just like that, your high school will be added to your Facebook page. That's it. You've successfully updated your profile with your high school information using the latest Facebook update on your PC. Keeping your profile up to date helps friends, classmates, and colleagues connect with you more easily. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.